Hey guys, it's Ectel here. So, over the past weeks or months in quarantine, I've been coding. So, what do you think I've been coding? I've been using the Python coding language, and I've been trying to code Discord bots because I use Discord a lot in my life. I talk my friends through it because the school disabled Hangouts for whatever reason. So, today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom Discord.py rewrite bot. This is going to be a multi-part series, so this is just going to be the introduction to this, the setup. No, the no crazy things like we're going to set up a full verification or music bot yet, but this is going to be the basic setup where the bot is just online without any special features. Let's just get started. You want to create a new file called bot.py. This is going to be the file which the bot's going to operate out of. I'm not going to be using cogs if you're thinking this, that's what you're thinking. If you do want to use cogs, I'm going to provide a link in the description for a really good tutorial for cogs. If you don't know what I mean, you'll learn later on. So, we're going to be installing Discord. So in my terminal on my CMD or whatever, pip install Discord. And there we go. So it says, if it already says requirement already satisfied, that means you've already installed it. So after you install it, you need to import Discord. And from a library called ext from Discord, import commands. Okay? So what this does is you import the Discord module, and then from a library from Discord, you import a special sort of module. So this command that we just imported is going to be the baseline for our command info structure. So now we need to make our bot prefix. Whenever you're using a bot in your Discord server, what do you put before the command? That's what the bot prefix is. So I'm just gonna make a bot is equal to commands dot bot with an uppercase B command underscore prefix is equal to, and you can put it to anything, but I'm just gonna do a T and an exclamation mark. Okay? So now that we've done that, we need to make a event. This event we're going to be making is the onReady event. The onReady event is what does the bot do whenever the bot is ready and up and running. So let's just create a marker, bot.event. Let's make an asynchronous function, a def, that we can just name as on_ready. Don't pass in anything. Just do that. And then whenever we can print it out, and then we can make this an F string. So logged in to, and then we can just make this, so we can just do bot.user. So this is going to basically be the username of the bot. So now, to run the bot, we can just do bot.run, and now we need the token. I'm just going to put this up here, so I'm just going to put token in here, and up over here, I'm just going to put token is equal to. Now we need to get our bot token. So here's a new tab from my computer. So let's search up the Discord developer portal. Press on the first link that comes up and press new application. I'm just gonna name this. Let's just name this Rana's Little Helper. There we go. So now that we have this, we want to go to bot and we want to press add bot. So we're basically adding the bot to this application. So it's just making a bot account for the application. Then we can just press copy the token, go back to what IDE or text editor you're using, and enter in your token here. And I've entered it in 2 times. Wait a second. Wait, I can't do that. Okay. So just put that in just once, and there you go. So you can put your bot in, but how are you going to invite it to your server? So back on here, you can just search up Discord permissions calculator. I'm very good at spelling, but still. Here we go. So here's the permissions calculator. So you want to go back to the general information and get the client ID. You want to give it all. You want to give whatever permissions you can give it. You can put it here. I'm just going to give it all the permissions, which is administrator. And then just insert your client ID. Press the link and add it to whatever server. I have a testing server already ready to go. So I have to do this captcha real quick, and there we go. So now I've invited the bot to my server, so let's open up Discord. It's on my other, there we go. So let's open up Discord, let's go to my testing server, and now you can see Rana's little helper is in the server. So I'm just gonna make a new channel for this, which is gonna be Rana Help, because these are a bit polluted with stuff. So now it's not online yet, so now we can go ahead and run the bot. So just press run without debugging. And as the message that you put in here, so logged in to Rana's little helper. So now when we go back to Discord, you can see that the bot is online. This is a very short tutorial because this is just the basic setup for the bot. We're not doing anything crazy yet. And the next few tutorials are going to be short, but we're going to get to whatever you need. We promise. Also, if you want to see any more videos like this, please comment, like, and subscribe for more. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. It's because I'm so busy with school, but I wanted to give back to you guys by helping you code your own Discord bot. Again, thanks for watching, and bye.